How you link your bank account or your PayPal account to get your information. All right, like this is a new account I had just created just for this video purpose. All right, you go up here, you see you come to the Offers tab, which is right here. Make sure you're in your Offers tab. All right, you're gonna come up into the three dots right here, press that. Okay, boom. As you see, you got my name. You see that? See that? And you go right here to PayPal. Click on your PayPal. You're gonna say user not found. Don't worry about that, right? Just click OK, because you haven't connected a PayPal account yet. So you have to go and connect your PayPal account. Okay? Just come down here. Go to link PayPal. Enter your PayPal email. Re-enter your PayPal email. You're gonna hit save. All right? And you just go on from there. All this is self-explanatory. Now let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back up here again. We're gonna go right here to bank account. The user not found. Don't worry about that. Just click OK. Come down. Create a bank account. Here you go. Link a bank to get or make DOSH deposits. All right. See your bank pop up. Maybe your bank is one of these banks. And you just click on it. Boom. There you go. There you go. You can link your bank. All right. Tons and tons of banks. Tons and tons of banks. All right. Or you can go up here and just simply write your bank out. All right. Let's say your bank is Bank of Voodoo, or Bank of. Let's say your bank name Bank. I mean Hey Bank. Hey B-Ball Bank. Alright, and you just hit enter to search for your bank. Alright, right here you see everything is still unlocked. Alright, because you got to unlock it. Let me show you. To unlock, so you got to add a card, use in stores, get cash back. Then press add your card, okay? And once you add your card successfully, you'll see it right here. You unlock nearby offers, and we'll put $5 in your wallet. Like I said, it can be a credit card, a debit card, or a prepaid card. The choice is yours. You get $1 for the next 2 cards you link, right? There's up to you gonna link other cards, right? I'm only gonna have this one card, and I only have this one card on my thing. Remember, all this is free, okay? All of this is free, all right? You got different ways you can make money with this. Every time you use your card, at any one of the participating stores that you find within the app, you can get money. Every time you shop, you get cash back, all right? Remember, when you travel, it's the same thing. And every time you share, you get paid, all right? And then remember the special they have going on. Get $15 or refer for the next 2 weeks up to December 31st. Okay, now that you're on the app, I just want to take y'all through everything, all right? So once you put your location in, they're going to show you the stores that you can go buy stuff from. But the thing is, you get cash back. So if I go to any one of these stores or restaurant, I buy something. Let's say if I went and spent $100, you know, on food, speaking in general, at Phil's Philly Grill, I get $7 back if I use the card that I have associated with this app, right? And the card can be a debit card, credit card, or a prepaid card, okay? And this stuff add up, right? It's just the perks of it. And you can go shop stores online, as you can see. Fitbit, 7.5% back. Ray-Ban gets 6% back. The 6 runner card gets 6% back. You see this, huh? You see? You get cash back on everything you shop with, right? Neiman Marcus. I know a lot of people going to Neiman Marcus. You all see on the you all see all this, right? Then you see right here also, you unlock off. We'll put $5 in your DOSH wallet for adding your first card. So when you put your first card in, you automatically get $5. It's just as simple as that, people. Go click on the travel. You see this right here? Get $25 for booking your first hotel and completing the stay. And that's on top of the cash back you get, all right? So you get cash back, you know, for renting your room, and you also get $25 for booking your room, right? This right here, your home page will tell you what your balance is. It'll tell you your offers. It'll tell you your card that you got linked onto that and all that, all right? Okay. Go to social. Social is where you can get your referral link at. Which this is my referral link right here. So all thing they're saying, you refer a friend, right? You get $5 when they get their first cash back. Then on top of that, by using your referral code until December 31st, you also can get the $15 referral. Now, what really made me get into this app, right? It wasn't because of cash back, all right? It wasn't really because of the $5 referral free or nothing like that. I be thinking bigger, right? So if you go up here, right? So we go there, and I go right into refer a business. Boom, look at that. Sign up a business and get cash bonuses. Get your favorite local business sign up with DOSH, and you can get 20% of their DOSH fees for the next 2 years once they publish an offer. Free enrollment for a limited time. All right, then you just go around to refer a business, and they tell you how to do it and how everything need to take place. All right, you see that? That's if you really want to sit back and really make some money for the next 2 years, right? If you just got you about 5 of these business, you'll be getting paid for the next 2 years, because everybody gonna be looking for cash back. Everybody know we're going to the digital realm of transactions. It's just as simple as that, right? Now imagine you had 20 of these business, or imagine you built a 50 business to do this. Come on now.